every 20 minutes. It's your statewide Alabama weathercast.
And we thank you for watching the all-new Alabama Weather Network. I love the Skycam network. This has to be my favorite one. This is at Chehaw State Park. This is Alabama's highest peak, 2,407 feet on the eastern side of the state. This is in the boot heel of Cleburne County, and that is a classic summer sky, a field of cumulus clouds, otherwise blue sky. And up on the big mountain, temperatures are always lower. They've got 81 degrees there. However, many spots have reached 90 degrees today. For example, this is Montgomery. We're looking back to the west. There's the RSA building, downtown Montgomery here. They're sitting at 90, dew point 74. Very humid, light northeast wind gusting to 12 miles per hour. So today, much quieter as expected. That disturbance that brought a number of showers and thunderstorms yesterday has moved well to the northeast, an upper ridge beginning to rebuild. And really, there's just not that much on radar. We had one lone shower up in the northwest corner of the state, up in parts of Lauderdale County at mid-afternoon. That is long gone. And basically, for the northern half of the state this evening, no rain at all. The bulk of the showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon down here in the southwestern counties of the state, specifically parts of southern Washington, northern Mobile, and northern Baldwin counties. Pouring rain now. Saraland back up toward Creola, the intersection of US 43 and I-65. Heavy rain falling just south of Bay Minette here in Baldwin County. These are gradually drifting off to the east, and once the sun goes down, these things fade away. And really, in coming days, the weather should be relatively quiet. And understand there is always the chance of a storm any summer afternoon, but most likely they'll be fairly widely separated. And as expected, heat levels are up today. Many spots have achieved low 90s. In fact, out at Danley Field in Montgomery, they've got 92. It's currently 90 at Alexander City and Gadsden, Huntsville, and the Tennessee Valley at 91. Look at Florence. They've got 92. Monroeville down in South Alabama, they get the heat award here. They're the hot spot in the state with 94 degrees. Here's what we're watching today. Hotter afternoons ahead with only isolated storms during the afternoon and evening hours. And of course, we're watching the tropics. This is mid-August after all. Aaron, we have one tropical storm on the board. We'll take a look at modeling and understand in the summertime, the models don't always get it right. That's just the way it works. That's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Evidence there might be a few isolated morning showers, but much of the state will likely be dry. The sky becoming partially sunny, and during the peak of the daytime heating process, random, widely scattered showers and storms. Much like today, that's 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 8 o'clock tomorrow night, pretty much the same thing, maybe a few spotty showers. And that'll be the situation for the weekend. This is Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. We start the day with a mostly clear sky. By afternoon, a few widely scattered afternoon showers and storms. That'll be the case for Sunday, Monday, and probably Tuesday of next week. In the tropics, there's a look at Aaron getting stronger, a much better satellite presentation today. Note the symmetry and the deeper colors here. The convection getting deeper in the center of this thing. The latest advisory package just in from the National Hurricane Center. The winds have increased to 60 miles an hour. This will likely be a hurricane by tomorrow morning. It's moving to the west at 17. The new track just in from the Hurricane Center. No change in thinking here. This passes north of the Leeward Islands, north of Puerto Rico, makes the north turn east of the Bahamas. That's a really good situation here. That basically misses the population areas, and most likely that turns north-northeast, missing the United States East Coast. It could be close to the island of Bermuda at some point by the middle part of next week. So look at our 7-day forecast. First off, for the northern half of the state, the chance of any one spot getting a storm tomorrow, 3 in 10, then 1 in 5. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, highs low and mid-90s. Heat levels probably down toward the end of next week as the ridge begins to weaken. We could see an uptick in the number of scattered showers and thunderstorms by then. South Alabama, pretty much the same thing. A few spotty showers and storms tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, but you'll see a pretty good supply of sunshine. Only isolated storms for the middle of next week. Mid-90s by Tuesday and Wednesday, low 90s on Thursday. That's the evening Alabama update on the Alabama Weather Network.